back at it. We're going to finish off these 5 acres and then move on to the next field. And hopefully we can finish off the day with some good acres cut. So, fun. It begins. Well, this will wrap up this field. Ah! There we go. Another field done. Now we gotta move on to the next one. But first, let's go empty out into this guy. We're gonna go unload on him. It sounds kind of bad. I'm really liking these stock stompers, or whatever they're called. I think they're stock stompers. They're doing a pretty good job. So that way whenever we pull into other fields that we're going to strip till, it'll be super easy to do, and we won't get so much wear on our tires. Let's see if I did this right. Probably not. I don't know how far. Maybe too far. Yep. I need back in. Okay. We'll go dump on his head. Oh, that was brutal. Another field checked down. Checked off. Man, maybe a little grain for his head. Let's watch the real pro at work. Well, we're back to the field that we got rained out first, so the second field that we started. And the corn here is really, really good. So it's going to be real fun to harvest. It's going to be fast paced, and we're going to keep them trucks going. So it'll be a lot better than the last one that we were cutting. But I'm just happy to be back at it.
So I think we'll just go ahead and call it tarp the grain cart.
Well, this is one of the bad things about relying on not your own truckers, but
Yeah, he just texted back, he's not coming back.
Yep. That stinks. So we were only able to harvest for just a few hours, but we finished one field. So I guess that's progress. And now we're on this field. And I am doing a very sloppy job yet again. But anyways, what I was saying is it's always kind of hard when you don't have your own truckers that you employ. We contract with the grain elevator, and they supply the truckers, and the truckers are contracted by the elevator. So you never know when they're gonna not show up, and they'll just leave. They'll say that, oh yeah, we're gonna come back, and then they'll just leave you hanging. And we've actually had to bring out one of our trucks on several occasions to take some grain, but they're both full of seed wheat, so we cannot use our own trucks right now. But yeah, anyways, it was a beautiful night. We're finally back in the field after the rain. We're cutting this field and it's doing pretty good, and so we're gonna just keep on rolling. morning, everybody. We got the sprinkler moving, and it's got a long way to go before it's out of the way, so we just hope it doesn't get stuck. We're back at it, and I had to blow off the combine for about an hour, and it barely did the job. I think I could probably blow on this for 2 hours and not get it all done, but it was extremely dirty. This field is extremely dirty. It's not bad. It's not a bad crop. But we got another full day and probably 30 more full days ahead of us, so we just keep trucking along. About to finish up another field and head closer to town, which that makes me excited because I'll be real close to home instead of 30 miles. So after a long day, I don't have to drive 30 minutes. I'll just have to drive 5. Which would be nice. But this over here actually did not too bad. Not too bad. One field did great. The other did okay. But yeah, finishing it up. And then we'll be heading home early. Be home before 10.